Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your WooCommerce SEO for category and product pages, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your WooCommerce dashboard. Navigate to the products section. Click on categories to manage your category pages. Choose a category to update its SEO settings. Scroll down to the Yoast SEO or SEO section for the selected category. Edit the SEO title to include relevant keywords. Make sure the slug is concise and includes primary keywords. Update the meta description to accurately describe the category. Focus on appealing language to encourage clicks. Save your changes once you're satisfied. Now, go back to the products section. Select a product to optimize its SEO. Like before, find the Yoast SEO or SEO section for that product. Update the SEO title with target keywords related to the product. Ensure the slug reflects the product name and includes keywords. Craft a compelling meta description highlighting the product's features and benefits. Include a call to action in the description to improve engagement. Consider adding alt text to product images for SEO benefits. Save the product changes after reviewing. Repeat this process for all relevant category and product pages. Lastly, perform regular audits of your SEO settings. Monitor performance to make ongoing improvements. Stay updated with SEO best practices as they evolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.